Good afternoon. So last class we started with the lesson modern world, the previous classes. Already the topic called Renaissance. We have already finished talking about the concept of Renaissance. Then we started with the new concept, that is Reformation. So previous classes or previous class I gave just introduction to the concept called Reformation. Why the concept of Reformation started to exist in the 15th century in the Europe. Okay, so that we had discussed in the previous classes. So today's class, let us know the meaning of the word Reformation. So what is this Reformation? Okay, now Renaissance is nothing but a rebirth of new learning or rebirth. So like that, Reformation means what? What do you mean by Reformation? So Reformation was a protest movement. It is it's a type of protest movement against authoritarianism, then evil practices. Okay, it is a protest against two concepts. One is authoritarianism and evil practice made by one group of people, so that is Roman Catholic Church. Okay, so Reformation, it is a protest movement started against the Roman Catholic Church for the purpose of their authoritarianism and the evil practices which was done in Europe. Okay, to remove this authoritarianism and to remove the evil practice which was made by the Roman Catholic Church, a movement was started in the 15th century. So that was a Reformation movement. So this is a definition for a Reformation movement. A Reformation movement was a protest movement against the authoritarianism and evil practices of the Roman Catholic Church. Okay, this is the first, the meaning, the definition. The second one was protest movement, you are saying. Okay, we are saying a protest movement. Okay, so what is that protest movement? If you see, it was a revolt, almost like a small fight. Okay, it was a revolt. It's like a fight. A revolt means, the word revolt says the fight. Because of stumbling block. So there is a block. Okay, there is a block in spiritual advancement of the people. You know, now for example, you just take, there is a religion. To follow religion, people should be there. Okay, religion and people. So between that there is a faith. Okay, so religion, people, faith. Then only there can be exist of one religion. Okay, without religion, people, there is, without faith, no. Three aspects should be there: religion, faith, people. Okay, this was there in Europe. Okay, it was there in Europe. But the problem was there in faith. That faith problem is nothing but stumbling block, that block. Way of accepting the religion or way of worshipping the religion was a problem. That is nothing but stumbling block in the spiritual advancement. One is a stumbling block, if you see, orthodoxy. Orthodoxy means original faith did not exist. Okay, original faith. The previous generation, they had a proper faith about the particular religion. That is, now here we are talking, that is Christianity religion. But when generation started to move from one generation to another generation, that original faith, the orthodoxy, the original belief, slowly it started to change, which people did not accept it. Okay. Then conservatism, tradition. Okay, traditional faith. The religion traditional faith also was differing from one generation to another generation, which the people did not accept it. Then blind faith. Blind faith means, superstitions. Okay, the people were diverted towards the blind faith. Okay, they were diverted. Blind faith. Okay, orthodoxy, conservatism, and blind faith, which was there in a religion called Christianity, it was not accepted by the common people of Europe. For that purpose only, they wanted to have orthodoxy, the original faith. When the religion called Christianity started, same faith they wanted. The same tradition also they wanted, but they don't want a blind faith. Keeping these three aspects as one of the major reasons, in Europe, the people started a movement that is called a Protestant movement. Okay, to start this Protestant movement, the one leader is there. That will come in the next coming classes. Okay, so this is the meaning. So that's how. Okay, the protest movement. Now, if we call why Reformation is called as a protest movement, means you have to give these three reasons. That is the reason I have mentioned here. Okay, because simply we cannot say it's a protest movement. What is that authoritarianism and what is that evil practices? This is the one. Okay, this is the one aspect which we are having. So now we will go for the causes for the Reformation movement. So today's class we will see some more causes for the Reformation movement. Because just keeping a few causes or a few concepts, we cannot say the movement was started. Just like orthodoxy or conservatism or blind faith. Apart from that, there were several causes for the start of Reformation movement or Reformation to start the Reformation movement. There are many causes. Almost there are 10 causes are there, but in today's class we will go with the 5 causes. Then the next class we will come out with some more causes. So when we see to start this Reformation movement in the 15th century, the cause number 1 or the first cause is that is revolutionary ideas. Okay, revolutionary ideas started to exist in the Europe. What are the revolutionary ideas? If you see, humanism in the sense human becoming the center of learning. Earlier religion was the center of learning, that was replaced by man became a center of learning. Okay, so that is the one reason to start the Reformation movement. When man became a center of learning, he started to know about the religion. That is the reason he began to question the authorities. Then rationalism, blind faith. Never believed in a blind faith. Observation, experimentation started to take place. Okay, so observation, experimentation, based on that, the rational thinking started to exist in a people. Then scientific spirit. Okay, so inventions, scientific inquiry, reasoning skills. Then the spirit of inquiry, okay, search of knowledge. All these aspects made thoughts and the behavior of a people to be changed. That the thoughts and the behavior of a people changed because of humanism, rationalism, scientific spirit and spirit of inquiry. So started the Reformation movement. Okay, that made the revolutionary ideas made the Reformation movement to be started by the people of Europe. This is the first cause we are having. The second one is discovered the real truth. Okay, the people discovered the real truth. Okay, discover the real truth means about the environment, happenings in the environment, why it happens. So that was started to develop the scientific spirit and the spirit of inquiry. Okay, so what is happening in and around or inside the environment among the people. Before it was done, environment was the concept of environment also the dominated by religion, the authorities. Because of the religion, because of this, the environment changes takes place. But later on in the 15th century, scientific spirit and the spirit of inquiry made what is the real fact behind the environment, the changes. Okay, that's the society. Okay, or surroundings started to be known by the people, the real fact. Okay, that's the one reason we are having it. Then the blind faith was questioned. Okay, blind faith. Why? Whenever the Pope or whenever the religious authorities, when they were saying about the faith, if it is blind, it was questioned. That made a way for the Reformation movement or Protestant movement. Then authorities were challenged. Okay, before the administration of a place was under the control of authority. When authorities were questioned and when our authorities were challenged, the administration started to shift to an people. Okay, shift to an people. That is the one more change which we are having. And the next one is the Pope and the clergy. Okay, the Pope and the clergy. Here Pope means the religious head of a Christianity. Clergy means priest. Okay, clergy means priest. Both of the personalities are, they are lead a life of brahmachari. They don't get married. Okay, in Christianity religion. Okay, he is a head, and under him the clergies will be there, the priests will be there. They began to lead a immoral lives. What is that immoral lives? Luxurious life, gaining the wealth and comfort. They are having nobody. Clergy is not having nobody and Pope is not having nobody. They don't have anybody else to be taken care. But they wanted a luxurious life, they wanted a wealth, they wanted a comfort zone, which was questioned by people. What kind of question the people made here, if you see, these people, two people, are supposed to live simple lifestyle because they have come to service of God. They have just come to do service to God and the humankind. Service to God and humankind. They forgot humankind. They forgot service to God, but the leading started to take place. Okay, so that questioning started the Reformation movement. So these are the few causes which we are having in today's class. So next class we will go with the some more the causes. Thank you.